Hi friends, welcome to my channel Pink Labs app. Please watch this video up to the end completely without skipping. It will give you knowledge to become a successful YouTuber. To increase your subscriber definitely, please go through the video from first to last without skip. This video will give you clear picture regarding the algorithm in YouTube. Whatever I will discuss based on your study. Okay, great. First I will discuss about the algorithm, how it works. The algorithm analyzes your video against millions of other videos. Titles and description will determine which one matches with your video, title and description. And even the tags which you are using. The algorithm ranks video based on factors like popularity, length, how long people watch and age, when creators it has uploaded. Okay, vital point, what is YouTuber's algorithm 2022, that I will discuss. The most recent 2022 changes to the algorithm are in response to some of the inappropriate material that people upload to the platform. YouTube recently announced that they have modified algorithm to ban borderline content. What is the borderline content? Borderline content is the videos that don't quite cross the line of YouTubers' policies for removal, but that you do not necessarily want to recommend it to the people. That is called borderline content. Now I'll discuss a complete beginner's guide to YouTube algorithm 2023. YouTube algorithm affecting the recommended videos. The algorithm goes through a two-fold process for the recommending videos to a users. First one is it ranks videos based on a data of their performance analytics. Videos that are trending are on priority. It matches videos based on the user's history and the similar content they have watched earlier. The idea is to match users the video that they would watch. So ultimately, they would end up spending more time on the platform going through as many ads as possible. Now YouTube got an idea about the end goal of YouTuber's algorithm in 2022 and how it works to the criteria better user experience. And being a content creator, you want the algorithm to work in your favor and not against you. So what can you do to improve your organic reach in such a dynamic and competitive YouTube environment? 5 tips to make the algorithm work for you. Here's how you can play nice with the algorithm and get fruitful organic results. It's for your YouTube campaign. First one is video description is the most underrated weapon. Video description is the most underrated weapon. The text you see underneath your video after uploading can work as a gold mine for you. You should not take your video description lightly. You should invest time crafting valuable and SEO focused video. Description so that the algorithm clearly understands the intention of your video. User the searches for a keyword and videos having the exact keywords in the description or even similar to the keyword will be visible in the search results. After doing the keyword search properly, feed those keywords in a natural language to increase your chances of getting visible in YouTube ACRP. What is called ACRP? ACRP is Search Engine Result Page. That is called ACRP in YouTube. The second tip for the increasing your organic reach. Second point is being consistent. Being consistent with your content will help you get in the good books of the YouTube algorithm. Constantly providing value to your audience will eventually help you grow your subscriber base and your engagements. Apart from being consistent with your uploads, you need to show consistency in your brand's voice, your tone, your colors, and your personality. For example, the channel Firstly Fished has been consistent with the uploads, approach, and the strategy. Looking at the video grid, it can tell that this channel is all about food and celebrities. People who love both these things and keep searching about it will automatically get the recommendation of this channel. All thanks to YouTube algorithm. Getting your video in the search results or recommendation. Stream is not enough. You also need users to click on your videos and watch them. The first thing that you need to do make that happen is optimize your third point is optimize your title and thumbnail, metadata, your video engagement, and various other factors will help you visible in users search result or recommendation streams. Still there will be other contents creators like you waiting for that click. Optimizing the video title and making attractive the social media images for your thumbnail will help you to get that click over others. Also try to include the keyword in your video title or inside the thumbnails to increase your click-through rates. That is very important thing. Keep in mind, optimizing can only be done by regularly testing, so keep trying. Different titles and images so that you know what is the working and what's not. Once the user click your videos, they should be glued to your video from the very first minute, as you don't want to have a higher bounce rate show. The point number 4, keep your audience engaged. If you can hook your audience for a longer time, undoubtedly it will increase your watch time and your other engagement metrics. And if people love your engaging content and you ask them to share it with their friends and family, word of mouth marketing will start working for you. What can do wonders for every creator. And guides or YouTube algorithm is smart enough to take notice that. Another thing you can do is recommend them to watch other of your relative videos. This will make them consume more and more on your content and keep them engaged. Higher the engagement, more the audience, YouTube algorithm will start ranking your videos in the people's recommendation section. Once your videos are in the recommendation streams of new users, there is no one stopping your YouTube success. Like in the example below, after the completion one video, the user can jump onto the other video of the same channel, just like internal linking in a blog post. So make sure you add cards to your own videos as well. And now our best tip that I had saved for this last. Relevancy is your weapon. That is fifth point. Fifth point is very vital. Being relevant is one of the critical factors that every social media, including YouTube, takes very seriously. They want to provide a great user experience too. their users so that they stay glued to their platform. So if you are generating the valuable and relevant content, you will be left on the sidelines. I repeat. So if you are not generating valuable and relevant content, you will be left on the sidelines. So mind it. You know how the algorithm has evolved over this past 16 years and how vital excellent user experience is for YouTube. So make sure your create is relevant content that automatically provides a better experience in terms of value. If you can show for target audience, there is no one stopping you from the success. Remember, your time to unlock the power of YouTube algorithm. With the YouTube algorithm becoming smart day by day, machine learning and artificial intelligence works on that. There is nothing you can do to bypass the guidelines. If you try to fool it with some tricks, eventually you will be at a loss. Remember that. So now that you know how to use the power of the YouTube algorithm for the growing your channel, optimize your YouTube campaign, this is the valuable insights. And if you already have, let's know that the change benefited the most for your channel in the comments below. How does the YouTube algorithm determines ranking? Your YouTube ranking are determined by the YouTube algorithm using the matrix known as velocity. It measures the number of your subscribers who watched your videos just after your video was published. Does the YouTube algorithm include the videos for your 4,000 hours of view time? No. The 4,000 watch time required for your videos to be monetized can't include live videos or your private videos. Your videos should be public. Can YouTube algorithm delete my videos? Someone may question. If your video has not violated of the YouTube's terms and conditions, it can't be deleted. Your video can stay on YouTube forever. You are the owner of the content of your YouTube channel. How to increase the discoverability on YouTube? There are many ways to make the YouTube algorithm look for your channel and videos more often. One of the simplest ways is by creating a lot of valuable content for your audience. You can also optimize the metadata and interact with your audience more often so that the algorithm notice your activities on YouTube. How to make YouTube algorithm work in a favor? Today's YouTube algorithm is more focused on providing tolerated content to the user base. If your subscriber loves your content and interact with them, making sure that your engagement rate is high, then the YouTube algorithm will automatically work in your favor. I'll discuss about the algorithm areas. Please go through minutely to promote your channel and increase your subscribers. All these points is very vital. You should take note on these key areas that have been identified as the key signals that the algorithm considers in terms of viewers. Okay, first point, what viewers watching? Which videos viewers actually spend the watching and what viewers do not watch. This includes video that viewers click and then leave. Those really damage your click-through rate. Remember that. How long viewers are watching? The longer viewers watch, the higher your click-through rate and it is better. What the like and dislike? This is based on Feedback from the like and dislike buttons. Feedback from the not interested option. How many viewers click this option has impact on your videos. Viewers demographic and geographic information. When suggesting videos to the viewers, the goal looks at the viewer's particular location and the demographics. Viewers previously watched videos. If a viewer has watched videos that are similar to yours, you have a better chance of being recommended. The past searches of the viewer. Using the highly searched keyword in your videos helpful here, because if any people have searched that word, your video may be recommended to the many people. The frequency of uploads on a channel. The algorithm recommends content from active channels. How long a video has been online. New videos will be recommended to subscribers or viewers with similar interest. A video's rate growth, speed and popularity. Videos with a high rate growth have a better chance of making on the trending page. Video engagement, likes, dislikes, comments and shares. Engagement shows the interest in your videos and the algorithm will suggest it to more viewers. Impression. This includes how many viewers see your video, suggested to them, thumbnails, etc. Aim to get as many impressions as possible for the best result. Video thumbnail. YouTube recommended testing your video thumbnail. You find a format that works well while staying the authentic ones you do. We recommend creating a template and using the YouTube thumbnails makers to smoothen. The process of attractive thumbnails played a vital role to increase your viewers. Thanks a lot. If you like my video,